Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to make set print area on Google Sheets. So for instance, this is my worksheets, and then I want to make every single column, each of them, to become one page when I print into PDF or into the print out paper. So what you have to do, you just click print, and then as you can see on the below here, there is an option of set custom page breaks. So these breaks, as you can see, I'm able to change the break. So I will make it each column equal to one page. So each column equal each page. So over here, I'm unable to drag it to the bottom. So which means I have to adjust the size of the column or the size of the rows like this. For instance, I will reduce very slightly like this, or oops, wait a minute, maybe only these rows I will reduce it into very slight. Yeah, that's it. And then I do it again, print, and then set custom page breaks, and then okay, I'm I'm still not get the page. Okay, I have to adjust more. So I think you already get the idea how to breaks the print area on Google Sheet. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.